Hi, I'm Jennifer Guerra with Leggett Immobilier, coming to you today from the Pyrenees Ariégeoises in the city of Mirepoix. It's a medieval city that is only about 45 minutes to your closest ski station. You will absolutely adore. It's known for its incredible market, which is twice a week. Its regular festivals, the incredible architecture from the Bastide era, and the colors that are abundant are amazing. The local craftsmen, great restaurants, tons to do, tons to see. We're only under an hour from Toulouse and an hour from the Mediterranean beaches. Today I'm going to be touring around with you in this amazing Hôtel Particulier, which is otherwise known as a mansion or a chateau within a city. It has an incredible almost 800 mètres carrés of living space. We have 6 suites. We have a bar, a sophisticated library, gathering rooms, dining hall. There is nothing left out, and the absolute magnificence of the woodwork, the original tile floors, the mosaic floors. I think you're really going to enjoy it. Let's go take a look. On the ground floor, we also find the library, sophisticated bar, the ancienne cuisine, which is now used as a conference room, the kitchen, professionally equipped, and an incredible ball or dining hall, which seats up to 30 guests. As we head upstairs via your own personal elevator, we have on the first floor 3 suites, a massage room, and a yoga room. On the top and final floor, you can find 2 suites, double suites, and 3 single rooms with their own ensuite bathrooms. As you can see, we're here in the incredible Tranquil Oasis, which is our other secondary courtyard. We have the front grand courtyard, which can also be used for events, parties. This is a great space for intimate gatherings. Thanks for joining me today at this incredible mansion in the heart of the bustling city of Mirepoix with all its festivals, artisans, and has so much to offer just at the foothills of the Pyrenees Mountains. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. I'll be more than happy to welcome you for your own personal tour. A bientôt.